Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you maintain a fridge when not in use? Open the doors of both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. Partially open the top of a baking soda box and place it in the refrigerator. Leave the refrigerator open for a few days, if possible. Thoroughly airing out the interior prevents the formation of mold and mildew over the long term. How do I turn off my fridge for moving? If you're moving a fridge or freezer into your new home, it's best to turn it off 24 hours before. This gives the fridge's evaporator time to defrost, which reduces the risk of any damage during the move. It also lets the oils and fluids inside settle and stops them moving through the compressor. Should I unplug my garage refrigerator in the winter? If your garage gets colder than 35 degrees in the winter, you'd want to unplug the garage refrigerator only if you use the water dispenser, ice maker, or if you have food inside the refrigerator. If you have water lines or food inside the refrigerator, everything will freeze and the water lines will burst. How do I stop my fridge from molding when I turn it off? There's not a lot to storing a fridge. The main thing is preventing it going moldy in storage. The easiest way to prevent a fridge going moldy is by removing the water from the fridge. An unplugged, turned-off fridge is the perfect breeding ground for mold.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.